So to create the base structure, we need to kind of count the areas and see what we need here. So therefore I have the mobile version up here, and what we need first is that we need of course a header with a rocket at the top, and then some text, and then comes a new section, and then comes a new section, and that is actually divided in 2 parts. And then we have a footer, and then we have the menu at the bottom. But I'm going to create the menu actually kind of first in the file, because it's usually placed there, and we would like to have it there on the big screen. So where you place it in the HTML code is not that important actually. So let's start. And now I'm going to use Emmet again, because I would like to not write that much code. So first of all, I actually would like to create a div, and that should have a class of wrapper. Within that div, I would like to create my navigation, and that I'm going to enclose in nav. But now, to use this a little bit more proper, I'm going to create a left parenthesis before the nav, and that is to tell Emmet that everything I write here should be considered as kind of one block. And within that nav, I would like to, maybe we should add maybe we can have an ID on that one, that is called main menu, like this. And then within the menu, we need a UL, and that is an unordered list, and that list could have a class of menu. And then within that one, I would like to have my list items of maybe a class of menu items, menu item. And I would like to have 5 of those, and I'm going to explain why shortly, because I would like to have the rocket as one, and then I have the 4 items. So I will place the rocket within the menu. We can discuss if we should go inside or outside, but as it moves in the correct order, well, I place it here. Some would argue that you shouldn't place it there. The menu should be just home services, team contact. And if you like to place it outside, feel free. Now, I also would like to say, in this case, I'm not going to link them anywhere. But I would like to have an anchor still. So, and that should have an href. So therefore, I'm going to use just a hash mark as an href here. And now I'm done with that. Then comes the next section, and to get that on the same level as the navigation, I write a plus sign. So then I can have a section with a class of maybe page head. And then comes a section, so that was the first section, this one. And then comes the next section, and that could be, let's have another section. And let's add another class for that one. So that could be experience. And then we should have yet another box down here, and that is the gray area down here. So let's have a section. And the class for that one can be, I don't know, company-info. Maybe we should write that full out. And then finally, we should also have a footer with a class of page foot. And we used no dashes on the other one. So now when I've written this, I can just hit the expansion button, and then I get this one. So now I have my base structure for my file.